My shirt looks a little wrinkled. But that's okay. I don't have to impress you guys. Hey guys, this is Ronnie Chima here with your travel. Hey guys, Ronnie Chima with Chima's Travels, and today's travel tip for Travel Tip Tuesday is what to do with this veggie bag. Are horrifically terrible for the environment. You take your filthy, disgusting shoes and you put them in the veggie bag. I've seen tips where people have put their sneakers in shower caps, but I'm sorry, I'm a size 11. My feet are beastin'. They're not gonna fit in a shower cap. These take up enough space. Look, they're the size of they're bigger than my forearm. So I wear a size 11, which is a big ass foot. I've seen a lot of travel tips where people put their tiny little dainty keds or slippers into a shower cap. The shower cap, visually when you're making a video on how to pack a suitcase, yeah, it looks really nice, but there's all this space around it, and the dirt doesn't get any loose clumps of dog poop that are stuck on your shoe. It's just gonna get stuck in the shower cap, and it doesn't seal very well. So with this, it seals really, really well because you just gotta twist it and tuck it in. Except there's a hole in this one, but I know I don't have any dog poo in my shoe. Now I'm going off on a rant. And then if the bag rips, I mean, you have to kind of throw it out or just hoard the trash that you can't recycle or want to throw out because you feel really bad. I do that. I hide the jar somewhere in this apartment. Kyle doesn't know, but now he does. Yeah, a shower cap. But my feet are huge. My sneakers are huge. I need to save as much space as possible. So here are my slip-ons, squish, squish. And then I tuck them nicely, shimmy them into my suitcase.